What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. So, sorry, I had to do it. Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about the infamous question, what is love? Many people have many thoughts and beliefs that are around love, like scientists say, oh, it's just an emotion, or religious people say, oh, love is love is something divine. um, then spiritual guys say, oh, love is God. And there are basically many different opinions and many different versions of love. So in this video we're going to hopefully shed some light on what love really is. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss other videos that I'll be posting in the future. And let's get started. Let's hop into this video. Contrary to what atheists and scientists believe, that love is just an emotion, it's not. People misunderstood love for affection. Like, when they say I love someone, they mean I care about them and I care about what happens to them. But what love truly is a fundamental part of reality, or not even a part, but the being of reality. What reality is love. Love is the collapsing of the ego and uniting with the whole self. Like, the ego creates this picture that I'm one person and this is the other person and this is the third person, and creates duality. And love is the removal of the boundaries and the duality that is created. Love is the light on the illusion. It shows you it is the truth. So love is your true nature, really. You are love. And that's why people find affection for the realizing of the love. Like, for example, you have parents probably and you love them, so you have positive feelings towards them, and when you're with them, there is no more ego. The ego kind of collapses into unity with that person or people. So for an example, love with a partner, for example, you have a girlfriend or whatever, or a boyfriend, whatever you wish, and when you're with them, the sense of separateness goes away. You merge together into one being, and that is love. And the realization of love can, of course, be with anything, really. Like, it can be any relationship, like a mother and a son, or like I said, two romantic partners, or a whole family as a whole, or a community, even like a religion, or basically any ego that is created can be collapsed into non-duality or into love. And when you collapse all the boundaries and all the illusions of the duality, the only thing that remains is the absolute, or you can call it consciousness, or pure love, or God, or whatever. But the point is to notice that you are, at your core nature, the absolute. You are literally being itself. And that's the whole problem with defining it, because it's the most basic component of reality. It is reality itself. So to define it, it's like you're trying to point with your hand to your hand. Like you can't physically. Like it's paradoxical. And when you notice that you are love, then comes an incredible joy of being. And that joy then manifests into love you think of, and affection towards other people and everything you do, basically, and into completely into your life. And that's it. I think that the things I said here are hopefully going to point you towards love, but just notice that if love is a component of reality, that you can't conceptualize it. You can't put it into concepts and into words and understanding. It is above the understanding. It's implicit in understanding. It's a core of reality itself. And that's it. I think I said everything I needed to say for this one. I'm not going to philosophize much more about it. I mean, I will in the future videos, but I think it's enough for this one. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, be sure to smash that like button and comment down below if you have any questions or if you like the video, and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss other videos that I'll be posting in the future. And see you in the next one. Bye.